See this, guys, by just conducting, you can see, by just conducting surveys, I am getting paid $5. Okay, $4. How people are actually getting paid so much amount by just filling some small question and answers? Do you want to know and do you want to earn this much amount of money? Just follow along this video, guys. I'm going to show you how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just conducting surveys, and you do not have to write those surveys. Okay, whatever your mobile phone, if you're having other Android phone, iOS, or all the devices that are compatible with you, you are getting paid for that. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can earn a good amount of money by just conducting these small surveys. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from this website. So guys, this is the most renowned website, and through affiliate links we can generate a good amount of income from this website. Okay, so you can see this, guys, what do we need to do? Okay, so people are coming on this website, and you can see this payout over 100 million plus to mobile applications and website, and all across the world, whatever world you are living in. Okay, whatever country you are living in, just type down your country name. Okay, so whatever you are living in, wherever you are living in, you just need to just sign up here and just start earning. And I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, and you can easily pay out in PayPal, Payoneer, and other cryptocurrencies. So PayPal is recommended. Okay, so what do we need to do, guys? Okay, so just come up here and do the sign up part. Okay, just click on this sign up part. Okay, and we are doing the sign up part with Google account. Okay, just click on this Google. Okay, so it will redirected you to this page. So what you need to do, just wait for this and select your account, and it will do our registration. So you are in this dashboard, guys. How much time we get? Okay, no time. In no time you are getting this this dashboard. Okay, so what is this? You can see right now our payment details are 0. So what do we need to do in this website? Okay, so just come up here in offers. Okay, just come up here in offers, and you can see how much people can actually earn. Okay, so whatever country you are living in, guys, whatever country you are living in, okay, you can see this. Okay, you can do the surveys of the targeted countries, and you can earn a good amount of money from this website. Yes guys, you can earn a good amount of money from this website. Whatever devices, you can see this, whatever devices you are having. Okay, so by default, guys, you should select all devices, and by default you should select United States. Why, guys? Because they are giving you the highest paying affiliate links. Okay, how much? Highest paying affiliate links they will offer you. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you can see this, how much people are offering you. And guys, what you can do, you can just earn and make these offers and share these offers to others. Okay, so let us suppose this is some surveys. Okay, these are some quizzes. Okay, so you can do one thing, guys. Either you can share this link to your friend, so that your friend will do that quiz, and you are getting paid for one survey. You are getting paid $0.37, guys, just one survey. Okay, if you just click on this side, payout. Okay, just click on this payout. Okay, you can see this, guys, $5 from a single person. This is a gift card that you can offer to someone, or some what do you say, that some surveys that you can do. And there are hundreds and types of, you can see this, what are the types you can earn. You can see from surveys, you can submit surveys to do. Okay, I just show you the surveys. Okay, emails and surveys I just need to do. Okay, and that's of United States. Just click on this payout. Okay, and you can see this, guys, from this is a survey that is conducted by some Walmart. Okay, you always know this thing, guys, that Walmart is a reputed company. Okay, so that company spent $5 to conduct surveys. Okay, for just one survey, guys, just say send to your some 5 to 10 friends, and you are getting paid $50, approximately $50 from that 5 to 10 friends. Okay, so it's a good way of income to generate, guys. You understand this thing? So what you need to do, you just need to click on this one of these surveys, and just you need to copy this thing, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can see this the type is actually the email submissions and surveys. That's it, guys. Okay, other thing you can do, guys, what you can do, from this link, you just share this link to your mobile phone, and you yourself can conduct these surveys. Okay, you can earn from one survey you can earn $5, and there are hundreds and hundreds of surveys that you can perform. Okay, you just need to just come up here and just doing some surveys, and that's it, guys. Okay, you can see 100 plus entries. So utilize your free time to generate more income. Okay, one more tip I just need to give you, the 2 reputed platforms where you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, what you can do, guys, you can post this affiliate link to 2 reputed websites. Okay, first is Pinterest. Okay, where you can grab huge amount of traffic, guys, huge amount of traffic you can grab. Okay, I've already shown you how to create pin on this account. Okay, just click on this create pin and you are good to go. Okay, just what type of things I just need to click and drop it. Okay, so what you can do, guys, just come up in Google. Okay, and just click on this Google Images. Okay, now what you need to do, earn money online. Okay, just click on this and see the images. Okay, see those images. So select one image, guys, select one image that is you can see this. You just need to download this image. Okay, just click on this save image and wait for this. Just click on this save image and you can see this the image is saved. And what you need to do, just come up here and just click on this, and in the downloads it is. So this is my, you can see, photo, and you can give earn money online by doing surveys. Okay, you can see this, you can do the online, oh sorry for the spelling mistakes, by doing surveys. Okay, so you just gave the description that just, you can say, just click on the picture to earn money. Okay, okay, so you can give this, and the designation, you can know this thing, just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here, just paste it. Okay, just click on this publish, and you are you need to select a type of project. Okay, just click on this create project and type in earn money. Okay, and just click on this create and just click on this publish, and you can see this, guys. Okay, so guys, this is a link that they are asking you. We block this link because so it leads to spam. Okay, so it might happen with you as well, this. So how to rectify it? Okay, so guys, this is one of the queries that my audience has given you. That is why I have not told you this thing. Okay, so if you got this kind of request, okay, this kind of thing, so you just come up here on Google Docs, on Google Docs, documents. Okay, Google Docs. So just come up here in Google Docs. Okay, go to Google Docs, just come up, and what you need to select here, I just need to click a blank. Okay, just click on blank, and you just type here earn. Okay, just type earn money online by click the link in by clicking the link. Okay, so what is our link? So this is our link. Okay, this is our link. So just copy this link, okay, and just paste it. Okay, so this is your link. Okay, and just come up here in file and just click on this share. Okay, share, and you just need to give this description. Okay, so I just gave the name money. Okay, just save it, and you can see this, guys. You just need to copy this. Okay, just need to copy this link, and now what you need to do, you just come up here and just post your link here. Okay, so this is your Google Docs link, and now if you click it, you can see it's quite working. Okay, it's working. You can see this. Okay, so this is ultimately a best thing, guys, that you can do. You can see Google Docs link. So they are redirected to which part, guys? So they are redirected whenever they are redirected. So they are redirected to this page, and they are trying to click on this link, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so because, guys, Pinterest is a website which blocks the affiliate links. So this is an affiliate links that is highly paying you. That is high paying you. So they might consider this link as a spam. Why? Because they don't know that these are genuine websites. Okay, so you are getting paid for this $5 you are earning, guys. Highest paying thing. Okay, just you need to do one thing: click on this Google Docs, share this link, and you are good to go, guys. It's one of the best thing that you can do out there and earn lots and lots of huge amount of money from this website. Okay, another thing, guys, what you need to do, just come up here in Facebook. Okay, and you can I hope you have joined lots and lots of Facebook, okay, groups that I have already told to my audience. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe it to new audience, guys. Okay, so that you are always updated with the tips and tricks that I have always shared with my audience. So just come up here and just print money online. Okay, money online. Okay, just type this money online, and you can see that I have already told you, guys, just one person fill the survey and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so this is some survey website. Okay, so you can post your link. You can type in earn money by, what you can say, by filling surveys. Okay, you can say this. Okay, and now I just need to give that link. Okay, so this is a link. So what is a link? So this is a link. Copy this link. Okay, and just need to paste it here. Okay, guys, and just need to click on this, just post it. Okay, that's it, guys, that's it. Okay, you can see this, earn money by filling the surveys. That's it. Okay, so it's a good way of earning money, guys. 80,000 people, what they are doing, they are not doing any selling. They are just question answering and filling the question answers on this website. Okay, because this is a survey. You can see this is a survey. Okay, survey. From this survey, answering some questions, you are getting paid. And you can see this, I am getting paid a good amount of money if I just come up here in the dashboard. Within few clicks, you are getting paid for that. Okay, so now what I need to do, guys, I just show you how to earn money, how to get your payments back to your bank account. Okay, so just click on this settings but okay, so what I need to do, I just need to take your first pet name. Okay, Mac, save settings. So I need to give this security questions, guys. Okay, so this is the thing that is come in front of you. Okay, this is the settings. So what you need to do, guys, you just need to fill up this taxation forms. It's very easy. You just need to fill your city details and all. Okay, if you are not a United States citizens, you need to fill this form, guys. Okay, just click on these kind of things. Okay, I just agree. Okay, and you are good to go. Okay, so just fill these details, guys. Okay, your country code, your taxation, and here you can see this, guys. There is a payment method. Okay, you can see this, there is a payment method, so you can select the PayPal. Okay, so you can select the PayPal and just enter your PayPal email address, okay, to earn money. You can see this. There are other payment sources as well. From PayPal $10, Payoneer $25. So PayPal is best option, guys. Okay, for you to earn money, PayPal is the best option to get minimum $10, and even your bank transfer is also $10. So I just recommend you to do the PayPal. Okay, so you can just earn money from this website. That's it. Okay, so one more thing I just need to give you guys, you can even refer your friends who are just referring these surveys as well. Okay, so you can see this referrals. Okay, so you can tell your audience or your friends or your family members to just sign up with your account and just come up here, just copy this thing and just share it. Okay, surveys you are doing it, but you can see this, guys, whatever they are doing, you are getting paid $0.1, okay, by just, or you can say that 10% of what they have earned. Okay, whatever the surveys, how much surveys they have posted, how much people from their surveys are getting paid, you are getting paid a 10% of their referral guarantees. Okay, how much they have paid, you are getting paid 10% of what they have earned. So it's a good way of earning money, extra income source, so that you can boost your income to the next level. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Just follow along this video, guys. I have already said you that just follow along all my videos so that you are getting paid for that. Okay, I hope you like this video, and just need to click on this like button and subscribe to my channel so that there is always a motivation to give you best content. See you in the next video. Happy earning.